हमारे प्राइम इनोवेटर्स डॉक्टर देवराज शोम फ्रॉम QR678 एंड मिस्टर कमलजीत भाटिया फ्रॉम फिजिटल, ये हमारे प्राइम इनोवेटर्स हैं। इनसे गुजारिश है कि आप आएँ और अपने चंद शब्दों में अपने विचार हमसे साझा करें।
Good evening, everyone. His Excellency, respected Governor, sir, Mr. Abhay Jaireji, and Shweta Shalini, madam, thank you for having the QR678 team here. This is an amazing time to be alive. Everything that you have with you and around you was literally not available a couple of decades ago, and many of them were not available a couple of years ago. It's the power of an idea. As a practicing plastic and cosmetic surgeon, and now innovator of the QR678, which is a US patented, Indian patented, and with multiple IPs all across the world, a first in line hair growth product, which grows hair all over, I'm proud here and to be standing here to represent my entire team. Research is something which can really differentiate. Ultimately, trading can only go ahead and create a few thousands. Possibly research can create the differentiator which can really take the IP and the name of the country to the next level. As a practicing plastic and cosmetic surgeon, it pained my heart, especially when I was training in the United States and Germany, to be told that Indians were not really coming out with patents in the cosmetic industry. So to actually come out with something which now is available to 100,000 plus patients in 10 countries, and to have the QR678 being used all over the world is a matter of great pride and privilege. We often think that hair and any other things related to hair are very frivolous. But ultimately, what grows on the head or what doesn't grow on the head impacts what's inside the head. So I always turn around and say that life is a confidence game. And if confidence is what we can grow on the head, and if India can show the path to all people all across the world, then in that case, we certainly are doing well. So thank you for having the QR678 team here. Won't take too much time, but it's been a real pleasure to listen to some of the wonderful stories of innovation. And really, it makes, as an ex-army officer's son, it makes my heart really swell up when I see Indian research really change the way medicine and science is practiced globally, not only in COVID, but also in COVID-related hair care and COVID-related hair loss. Thank you so much.